In this video, I'll guide you through how to check your completed Google Tasks on your desktop, whether you're in Gmail, Google Calendar, or Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look and how to quickly review the tasks you've already finished. Let's start by opening one of the Google apps where Tasks is available. You can use Gmail, Calendar, or Drive for this. The process is the same in each, so choose whichever you use most often. Once you're on the main screen of that app, you'll focus on the narrow side panel on the right side of your screen. On this right-hand side, you're looking for the Tasks icon. It usually appears as a small blue circle with a white check mark inside. That's the shortcut to open Google Tasks. If you see that icon, go ahead and click it once. This will slide open the Tasks panel so you can view your lists and items. If you don't see any icons at all on the right side of your screen, the side panel is probably hidden. This is common, especially if you're using a smaller window or you've minimized it before. To bring it back, look toward the bottom right corner of your screen for a small arrow pointing to the left. It may be faint, but it should be sitting along the edge. Click that arrow and the right-hand side panel will expand, revealing several icons, including the one for tasks. Once the panel is open and you see the blue tasks icon, click it again if needed to make sure the task section is active. You should now see your current task list displayed in that right-hand panel. At the top of this panel, you'll notice a drop-down area where the name of the current list appears. Google Tasks lets you organize items into different lists, so this is where you can switch between them. Click on the list name at the top to open the drop-down menu. A small list of all your available task lists will appear. Select the list that you want to review for completed items. This step is important because completed tasks are stored within the specific list where you originally created them. If you're not seeing what you expect, double check that you're in the correct list. After you've chosen the right list, look through the active tasks at the top. Now, to find your completed tasks, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this list. As you reach the end, you'll see a section labeled Completed. Next to that word, there's a small arrow icon. By default, Google Tasks often keeps completed items collapsed so they don't clutter your view. To reveal them, click the arrow next to Completed. The arrow will rotate, and a list of all your finished tasks in that specific list will expand beneath it. You can now review everything you've completed, check dates, and even reopen items if you need to. That's all there is to it. By opening the side panel, selecting the right tasks list, and expanding the Completed section at the bottom, you can quickly see all of your finished tasks right from Gmail, Calendar, or Drive on your desktop.